Hello students, let us discuss a question on collisions and center of mass topic. This question appeared in previous IIT-JEE mains question. The question is very simple. 100 balls each of mass m moving with a speed v strikes a wall normally and reflect back with a speed in a time interval of t seconds. Then what is the total force exerted by the balls on the wall? So this topic, you have already some idea about this topic. Even in the previous problems also I have discussed. When something comes, let's say for example when a ball comes with a speed u, so let's say it is absorbed here. So when it is absorbed here, then what happens? There is a transfer of momentum from the ball to the wall. So that is, so change in momentum comes out to be only mu. So this is the case when it is completely absorbed. So when it is reflected, let's say a ball is coming with a speed u, then again it reflects from here with the same speed. Then what is the momentum? The ball transferred to the wall will be change in momentum. It is a vector quantity. So it will be of mu minus of minus mu. So that is change in the momentum comes out to be 2 mu. This is the case when it is completely reflected. It is something like elastic collisions with the wall. So sometimes you may have the situation the ball will be reflected with different velocity. When the ball is reflected with different speed, you can say. So the ball is going with a speed u1, then after reflection it will have a speed u2. Then in this case the change in momentum comes out to be mu1 minus of minus mu1. So this is change in momentum will be is equal to m into u1 plus u2. M into u1 plus u2. So these are the standard formulas to solve the problems. Okay, fine. So our case is this. How many bullets are coming here? 100 bullets are coming. So what is the change in momentum? So the change in momentum, just now we calculated here, force will be is equal to change in momentum in a given time interval. So change in momentum will be, so 2 comes out, each bullet will be m, there are 100 bullets into m into u divided by t. So the answer comes out to be 200 m u divided by t. Okay, so quite simple. So this is the amount of force on an average the bullets will exert on the wall. According to Newton's third law, the same amount of force the bullets also will receive. Okay, thank you for watching my lecture. So please like and share this video to your friends. So thank you very much.